First little bit, they gotta kind of crack it, and then once they get the opening, they're good. The guy in the back has the trigger. He's standing on the actual unit, like on the cantilever part.
No, it has to have an edge. So you can't do it against the wall. You have to have this, something to do. Okay. You have to have a slab like this. Only the slab bed, then you can do it. You don't need a slab bed, otherwise it makes water not the time. Yeah, now it's only faster.
Oh yeah. And it's better repaired to get the full slab bed.
Yeah, we are doing full slab bed. No, before they're doing selective, that's why they're picking it up. Now they see the whole slab bed. That's a percentage. That's better. Yeah. So it works out. You do a bit more concrete, so you do it faster. So kind of you give up on one thing, you get advantage on the other. And no other.
Yeah, all intents and purposes, it's not that way.
Pretty much.
I'm sure the second floor guy is like, what's happening?
Well, so we just addressed the falling concrete part.
Even that fire is more of a roll now, less of a drop and hit.
Yeah, again, the plywood is a little bit too lower, so you work up the kinks as you go, right?
Okay, well, anything else that you want to see?
Doing this one now, it's not the first time you're doing, right?
No. Well, these machines are fantastic. They're easier on the guys.
SST should buy some.
What?
It's so good, SST should buy some so you have it in your repertoire.
Well, sure, give us a PO for the whole building and we'll buy 10 of them. That's all. There's no more.
Once you guys get into the rhythm of it, you're gonna have to be fast too, like you set up each drop.
And then like you gotta, I guess you're cleaning off all the debris, putting it in the and then putting it in the bin, and then go to the next one. Or you're doing a bunch of it.
No, we're gonna do the whole side. We're gonna do the whole run, and then at that point come down and put everything in buckets. There's 750-pound max on that stage anyway, right?
So that's the
process.
It takes more time cleaning up after.
Yeah, I mean it's the same process as we're chipping. The rubble stays on the balcony. Yeah. We peel it off and bring it down.
Well, the priority is getting that chipper, right? Like under the crusher, prioritizing the on time of that crusher, right?
Absolutely.
Yeah. You want to get it up off rent in this case, or to the next drop in the next one, right?
Yeah, we do this run, move over, do that run, and then we do a garbage run at that point. So there's no noise at all. I mean, we're standing here talking. We wouldn't be able to do that with jackhammers.
Yeah, compared to what we were doing before.
You can see it's actually a clean, I mean, we'll cut the top side, right, Ryan, as you know. Cut the top side back with a 1/2-inch cut, as per can, and clean it all up a little bit after, but we'll schedule that, once everything's licked out. Then we go up for probably 2 days or so, I'm thinking, of cleaning up with the light-duty hammers.
So you're doing a little saw cut to kind of...
Saw cut on top.
To create the edge basically where it's going to break.
No, the saw cut is after the fact, not the beginning.
Yeah, after. Like after you do this, now then you're going to go back and do a saw
snap
cut.
The chalk line.
To where you're going to chip to.
Exactly.
To do the clean edge.
To do the clean. And then you got to do a little bit on top, a little bit underneath. But it's a smaller gun. It's a 500 instead of the 1,000 that you're using.
And it's not chipping all the way back, it's just cleaning.
Yeah. Just cleaning. Knocking off all the loose stuff.
Hopefully it'll be acceptable. I'm guessing. It's going to be like way less.
Well, we've done that once already.
Yeah, the cleanup?
Yeah, we had a day of it.
Yeah, no one really complained, but I'm over it.
We're just going to ride this out so we can get back. Because the main thing is, we do have to get back to these details, or else we're not going to be able to do this. Or we're going to have to figure out something to do. which is not as much shipping either, but we still have to get 5 pounds. Look at that before it starts biting in the butt. But we got a plan, we're moving forward, we're doing something. That's the main thing.
So if we can at some point in time, can you get a third guy on the thing?
No.
No, only 2 guys?
The weight that we have on the machine right now is maxed out. We don't really need a third guy.
No, I was asking. No, they just someone wanted a video of the actual activity of.
I can take that for you, no problem.
Yeah.
I can take that and send from the stage part.
Yeah.
I'll take it for you today and I'll send it
Yeah,
off.
and then send it over there.
No problem.
Just to see that.
Yeah, have it in here.
No, I actually had my harness on. I was going to go up, but I'm here now. Today we'll send off lots of video.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to stop here.